Dylan Field is an American technology executive and co-founder of Figma, a web-based vector graphics editing software company. Field founded Figma in 2012 with Evan Wallace, who he had met while the two were computer science students at Brown University. In 2012, Field received a Thiel Fellowship, a $100,000 grant conditioned on his leaving school to begin working full-time on the company. Field moved to San Francisco with Wallace, where the two spent 4 years preparing the software for its first public release in 2016. In 2015, Field was named to the Forbes 30 Under 30 list. He is estimated to own 10% of Figma's stock, a share valued at $2 billion at the time of the company's 2022 acquisition by Adobe. Field grew up in Pengrove, California. Field was an only child, named after the poet Dylan Thomas. His father worked as a respiratory therapist at Santa Rosa Memorial Hospital, and his mother is a resource specialist teacher at Thomas Page Elementary School. As a child, Field was adept at math, learning algebra at age 6. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.